Hi, my name is Puneet Pal Singh and I'm planning to go to Canada. The reason I chose Canada for migrating was that it has better growth opportunities and most importantly there is a better work and life balance there. While preparing for the PR process for Canada, there was a requirement for IELTS exam, and upon researching I got to know that IELTS is one of the best exams which is available in the market. And it is a very comprehensive study of not only speaking but learning, reading and listening and writing as well. The IELTS examination center was very close to my workplace, so which was like very accessible to me, and it was the online registration and the access to the center was easy. I scored 8.5 bands in IELTS and my highest score was in reading and listening. I began my preparations for IELTS about 15 to 20 days in advance. And I set up my time schedule and worked on three very important things. First of all, I switched all my entertainment sources to English. I started watching a variety of English TV series and movies, especially from different regions, to build my grip over my pronunciations. I started conversing in English with my family and friends. It really helped me to pick up new words and build my vocabulary. And lastly, the most important thing was take as many mock tests as possible. I mean, they will really train your mind and they will really train you for the exams, which are like the IELTS exam is exactly the same way their mock tests are. Also, the book that we receive from IDP, that is a very good book and it is very helpful. I mean, take those tests as many times as possible. There are I think 2 or 3 or 4 tests in that book, and they are very comprehensive and they really will prepare you for the upcoming exam. Finally, my advice to all the candidates going for their IELTS exam would be just to take this exam as like any other exam in your life. Don't listen to any kind of rumors about IELTS. IELTS is just an English language test, just like any other language in terms of difficulty. You need to think and prepare for it, not like a subject, but adopt it in your daily life so you can have a better grip on this language. I prepared for the test by just changing my environment to English and taking as many mock tests as possible. I scored a very good band. So guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. Thank you so much.